What's up, Anthony? Thank you for attending that rally. I appreciate it. Be safe going home, okay? So my name is Mark Witrado. I am an SRO with the Fresno Police Department, Student Resource Officer. So a Student Resource Officer is basically, you're there for, first and foremost, campus safety. You're there to connect, to kind of show that you are a normal, real person. You're not just some cop, to help kind of guide them in a good direction, to do good, to want to do good, to have motivation. Believe it or not, a lot of times, once they get comfortable enough with you, they'll open up. The impact is real, you see it. Be safe walking home. Back in 2022, we were heading up to Bass Lake, right about 41 and like Avenue 15, I believe it is. We were just passing that. There was a traffic collision. It ended up being a family of like 4 and a dog, and that vehicle had flipped over and caught fire. I didn't really think about it, just kind of started doing. The hardest part was trying to get that window busted. You wouldn't believe how hard it is to get a window busted. Pulled one kid out, and like I said, he wasn't doing too well, so I pulled him away. I took him away from the fire. So I handed him off, and then I ran back, and it kind of started a chain, pulling people out. I don't know, I did what I had to do, I guess, you know. So I received the Lifesaving Medal with Valor, and then they were gonna surprise me with this assembly earlier. That was amazing, I'm not gonna lie. They got pretty loud, so I was pretty happy, I was pretty motivated. It was pretty cool, I felt the love, yeah. You are a hero, Officer Witrado, little guy in cape. That's pretty cool. We're lucky to have you here at Terronez. This has been the best unit I have ever been a part of. You know, you get to see the kid change, the student change from the beginning of the school year, knowing that you made the impact when they're like, hey, Officer Witrado, please, you know, meet my family. This is my mom, or this is my dad, this is my grandparent, this is so-and-so. When they started off, you know, being in trouble, acting like they're part of a gang, or being defiant or disrespectful, it really does have an impact on them as far as us being on campus, and it's really rewarding when you get to see that change.